Graco's Endurance Pump, known worldwide as the industry's best, most rugged, and reliable pump on the market, just got better. Introducing Endurance Vortex. Endurance Vortex uses all 360 degrees of surface by pushing fluid through oversized passages, forcing a high-velocity flow that rotates the piston, providing even loading. Endurance pumps already double the life compared to competitive products. MaxLife surpasses expectations by lasting even 6 times longer. And for the most extreme job sites, MaxLife Extreme. This Graco exclusive, abrasion-resistant extreme rod delivers the most durable wear surface possible. Vortex pumps offer another industry first, modular service. Eliminate downtime with ProConnect tool-less pump removal. And QuickPack, the revolutionary system that allows you to repack the entire pump in under 2 minutes. Longest life, widest range of coatings, modular replacements. Endurance Vortex pumps, now available on Pro Contractor and Ironman series sprayers.